According to research from Harvard, 19% of the total population has experienced an anxiety disorder in the last 12 months. The big problem is most people are operating from fear mode and they don't know how to stop living in fear. In this video, you're going to learn 10 tips to stop living in fear to achieve your goals and dreams. And all these 10 tips I've implemented in my life to become the best version of myself. Hi, my name is Amol Karale. I'm MRM, Morning Ritual Miracle and Law of Attraction Specialist. And till date, I have trained more than 20,000 plus people to become the best version of themselves in all the key areas of life. Now, what are these 10 tips? Please make a lot of notes because I'm sure these 10 tips will help you to stop living your life in fear and to achieve your goals and dreams. Number first, you can make your notes. I have made a notes on my mind map. First point, determine the source of your anxiety. Now, what do I mean by this? See, whatever struggles you're going through, suppose for example, if you have a fear of what my boss will say, if my management will say me to leave from the job, or if you're not able to achieve your target, we all have some other fears. The first thing is write down what is the source, why you're getting so anxious, why you're getting so much fear, and where is it coming from. The moment you write, you will get the clarity, oh, this is my fear and I need to work on this. Number two, recognize that life happens for you. Please understand, whatever happens, it happens for a reason. Life, it doesn't happen to you, but it happens for you, which is one of the most important principle, because when you put an end blame game, see, most of the time we always put blame on other people. But if you really want to become the best version of yourself, you need to master your own destiny. And the moment you do it, endless possibilities will open up to you. The moment I decided to master my fears, a lot of opportunities opened up for me. And please understand, don't let fear control you. Don't let fear dominate you. Till 2018, fear was dominating me. The reason I struggled in my life because I was always operating from a fear mode. The moment I came to know that life, it isn't happening to me, it's happening for me, I decided that I will work on my fear. Number three, stop the excuses. Most of us, we give excuses. I don't have time, I don't have money, I don't have time to read books, I don't have time to invest in my personal development. Please stop giving that excuses. I have given a lot of excuses till 2018. I was not ready to become a humble learner. I was not ready to invest in myself, and it impacted big time on entirely in my education, in my career. And the reason I failed in my 3 business, because I was giving excuses to myself. So stop giving excuses. Number 4, turn your shoulds into must. See, we always dream, one day I would do this. I should become rich. I should become the best version of myself. I should have a great health. Instead of telling should, must. So when I decided in 2018, I replaced all the word of should into must. I committed to myself that if I really want to change my life, I must become the best version of myself. So it's very important to understand, just don't have dream. Just don't think कि मुझे मेरी life change करनी है, मुझे ये करना है. Take actions and commit to yourself that at any cost, I'm going to overcome my fears and I'm going to become the best version of myself. Number 5, adopt a growth mindset. We have 2 types of mindset, fixed mindset and growth mindset. The reason I failed in my education, the result I failed in my 3 business, the reason I failed in my corporate life, I was not getting success because I was operating from fixed mindset. And if you really want to get success, you need to start operating from growth mindset. What is growth mindset? Growth mindset is you don't take your failures on a very serious note. You love your failures. You enjoy your failures. You try to see that how you can become the best version of yourself. You put efforts. Sometimes, we don't take if someone criticizes you, take it in a very personal note. But in the growth mindset, you don't take it personally. You take criticism in a positive way and you work on it. You don't give up. In the growth mindset, you always try. You are persistent. You keep taking actions. You keep working hard. But if you have a fixed mindset, you will never be able to change your life. So adopt a growth mindset, which is very, very important. And how did I adopt a growth mindset? By reading books, by listening to podcasts, by having a mentor in my life, and by taking massive actions. So it's very important to have a growth mindset. Next, number 6, learn that pains bring valuable insight. If you're going through any kind of pain, challenges or failures, it's okay. Please understand, failures will help you to grow. Whatever pain, struggle you're going through, it's completely fine. Don't take your failures on your heart, because whatever happens, it happens for a reason. And the reason God in universe is giving pain, challenges, failure, because He wants to make you the best version of yourself. Number 7, practice self-care, self-love. You need to care for yourself. You need to care for your own mind. You need to care for your own thoughts, your own feelings. Every morning, as soon as you wake up in the morning, see yourself in front of mirror and practice. I love myself and I accept the way I am. Because if you don't love yourself, if you don't spend time with yourself, how will you be able to overcome your fears? So practice self-care. Number 8, adopt an abundance mindset, which is very, very important to have an abundance mindset, because please understand, Tony Robbins always say where focus goes, energy flows. Adopting an abundance mindset is key to unlocking how to stop living in fear. And how you can have an abundance mindset? By practicing gratitude. Every morning, as soon as you wake up in the morning, be grateful, be thankful for the beautiful things that you have in your life. Be grateful for the salary which you get every month. Be grateful for the beautiful things that you have at your home. Be grateful for your parents. Be grateful for your spouse. Be grateful for your kids. There are so many things that you can be grateful for, and you can start practicing. The moment you do gratitude, the moment you do affirmations, the moment you do visualization, the moment you start doing incantations, the moment you start installing powerful belief in subconscious mind, you'll start building an abundance mindset. That's number 8. Number 9, be fully present. Please understand, the past does not equal the future. Miraculous changes can start happening in your life the moment you decide. So always remember, don't worry about the past. Stop missing your life. Put your phone down. Step away from the computer. Take up a new sport or game. Invest in your personal development. Learn some new skills. And you should be mindful. You should be fully present. Enjoy your life with your family. Go out. Cherish that beautiful moment. And number 10, know that failure is unavoidable. You can't stop failures, guys. You should love your failures. You should enjoy your failures. There is a magic in failing. And hence, I wrote this powerful book, The Magic of Failure. Because see, whatever I am today, it's all because of my failures and challenges. I have gone through a lot of failures, starting from my childhood, in my education, in my corporate, in my 3 businesses. And now also, I go through a lot of failures and struggle, but I enjoy it. So it's a request, don't worry about failures. You can't avoid failures. And if you really want to become successful in life, you need to start enjoying both success as well as failures. Because the more you fail, the more you learn. The more you learn, the more you grow. And the reason God and universe is giving you failures and challenges, because He wants to make you a strong person. He wants that you should become the best version of yourself in all the key areas of life: health, career, relationship, money, and spiritual. I hope all these 10 tips, if you start implementing, you will overcome your fears. You will be unstoppable. If you have liked this video, do like and subscribe to my channel, because I'm on a mission to transform billions of life by helping them to become the best version of themselves in all the key areas of life. Also, if you want to attend my free workshop on morning ritual miracles, on law of attraction, how law of attraction works, what is the routine of morning ritual, how to do morning ritual, how to practice it, how to work on your mindset, how to make your foundation strong, then do attend my workshop. In the description, I've given you the link for the upcoming workshop. Just click, and for free. It's totally free, because I want to add values in your life. See you in my next video.